Let's clear this up real quick. Creatine is not a mystery. It's actually one of the most studied, effective, and affordable supplements out there. It helps with strength, performance, and lean muscle. And no, it's not just for bodybuilders. If you train consistently, creatine can absolutely benefit you. Forget the hype around all these new fancy versions. Creatine monohydrate is the one that actually works. The others are mostly overpriced marketing bullshit. And no, they're not better just because they cost more. Worried about water retention? That's misunderstood too. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, which is what you want. More volume, better pumps, better strength. If you're not using creatine yet, start with 3 to 5 grams a day. Skip that stupid loading phase. You don't need that. Just keep it simple. It's cheap, it works, and it's no bullshit.